So I can shoot for the star, yeah. So I can shoot for the star.
What is good, YouTube? I appreciate y'all stopping by yet again. So last week we had left off for the H4. Our bias was bearish, and it's still looking pretty bearish as of right now. I don't think that's going to change anytime soon, but who knows what the market is capable of. As of right now, though, I'm actually in a sell on this Sunday night. Right now it's exactly 11 o'clock p.m. and I actually got in right here, so I'm kind of in a negative, but you know, I just put it, let me put it where I got in, like right here, and my stop loss is about 13 pips. I'm trying to go for 25 pips. We're gonna see what happens. Again, I don't usually take a top 5 minute trades because it's kind of risky to me, but I just seen it and I was like, you know, let's see what happens. Let's start the week off pretty good. So as of right now, I am in negative, but I'm not too worried about it. I just put in like a 0.10. It's all good in the hood. But yeah, so last week the H1 we had two bullish opportunities to trade. I did trade this one, but this one I was gonna get in, but I figured, you know, I was too late. By the time I was gonna get in, it was like right up here. I was like, dang, man, this would have been a great trade, and it actually did end up doing what I expected it to do. So yeah, I seen two moves pushing to the downside, 1, 2, and this is the third move. So I'll place my fibs from point A to point B. On a 5 minute time frame, you can see it's right on the money, and it's also like happening around the 61.8. so that's why I'm in. It's good at, I like to see, like, you know, the bearish engulfing on the 15 minute time frame. This trade might be a while, I don't know. Fix that real quick. Are you gonna let me do it, or what's going on, son? I'm literally, all right, there it goes right there. All right. What's good, y'all? So it is now 10:30 in the morning. I woke up kind of late. I'm not even gonna hold you. Let's just get straight to my sell that I had last night, and you can see we had a win for 25 pips, which is really good. You can see, so last night I was saying that it was gonna, like, you know, do this and then maybe come back down, and then maybe come back up and then continue down, but it didn't. It just shot straight up. But that's okay, because I had like a backup plan. Like, that's why I drew this this resistance line here, and as you can see, it wicked it on a far time frame. It wicked it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. On top of that, you see a bearish engulfing, which is great for a sell, you know what I'm saying? So, and we have about 2 hours and 34 minutes before this candle closes. If it closes somewhat bearish over this bullish candle, it's going to be phenomenal, man. So what I'm guessing right now, I just wish actually that instead of wicking my resistance line, I wish that it like wick the 100 line and form the bearish engulfing on top of the 88.6. That will make me even like that much more confident, but I'm still confident in how it's moving right now. So on the lower time frame, on the 5 minute time frame, I noticed that I could have got in for, you know, a little. I wouldn't have gotten in for the main sell, but I would have definitely gotten in for a little sell. As you can see, it made some pushes up, it broke, it came back up, made a bearish engulfing with a wick. Sell that, boom. This one, I think this one would have hit the negative 61.8. Yeah, definitely would hit it, but you know me, I would have stuck with the negative 27.0. Right now, hopefully, I'm waiting for like a little pullback. If I got a nice little pullback, you know, with some other confirmations, I'll definitely get in for a sell, for the big sell. You know, for the big sell, I'm planning on trying to catch around 200 pips. I think it's like 191 pips for the whole sell. And as it's making its way down, I'm going to try to you know, get in on like minor sells. going downwards, because it's gonna be trending downwards. So I'm gonna still take advantage of that too as well. Hopefully this can be a big week, or even if it takes 2 weeks for it to hit that take profit, hopefully it's a good 2 weeks of profit. What is good? We're back. It is Wednesday morning, but basically 10 o'clock. Just wanted to hop in here real quick, let you guys know where I'm at. Yeah, so it's been a crazy ride. I haven't gotten into trade recently until now. This is one of my trades right now. I'm hoping to hit around 1.3800 around that area. And last morning or yesterday morning, I was kind of tight because I missed this trade right here. It was a sell. It happened early in the morning, and I would have been like a crazy. I probably would have put like a long line on this one. Broke this area, and then it pulled back up to the so I think it was the 88.6. Made it engulfing. It was like 30 pips. Good 30 pips, man. Then it came back up, and this one I was awake, but I had seen it, but I was basing it off the 5-minute time frame. So yeah, I came up, made it engulfing, came down, and I think later that morning I seen this right here. It was like a nice little double top, and yeah, I was tight. I didn't take it either, man, but that one would have been a good another 27 pips. And then overall for the main trend, we was doing pretty well. We was up a good amount of pips, but it came back up. I do believe that it's gonna continue to go up for 40 pips. I do believe that it's gonna go up a little bit more. It may consolidate for a while, and then maybe continue downward, or maybe not. But that's what I'm kind of hoping to see, is maybe some consolidation and a move downward. But as of right now, I'm in a buy on the bigger seller move. Again, it's a quick buy, and so yeah, I wanted to fill you guys in. And again, it's Wednesday, 10 o'clock a.m. I probably might hop back on tomorrow morning or tomorrow night. I see y'all then. So we hit our take profit. I'll move my fader up, hold on. So yeah, we had hit a take profit, as you can see. It was a close one. It was actually kind of scary for me because it kept wicking the area. It wasn't really fully forming on the -27, but eventually it hit. As of right now, I'm definitely still looking for buys. I still believe H4 is in a downtrend, but as of right now, lower time frames are in an uptrend, and that's where we're trading right now until further notice. So I just wanted to fill y'all in, let y'all know where I'm at, and we marked this one down as a win. 41 pips, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. It's the end of the week. It's now Saturday as of right now, and the market opens tomorrow at 5. We had a great week. I definitely did miss a couple opportunities. This one was a good one. This one was a good one. I missed these 2 trades earlier in the week. Unfortunately, I was knocked out in the morning. I was tired, man. But I did end up. This was my first trade, which was just a quick scalp. I don't really trade aggressive on Sundays, but this one looked pretty good to me, so I actually ended up taking that trade and actually profiting. I profited off that trade, or I took some profit off that trade, however you want to say it. Yeah, and then it continued to come down. I missed this one. This one happened early in the morning. This was at 6 a.m. and this trade I was up, but I didn't take it because it was based off the 5-minute time frame, and I don't really like basing my trades off the 5-minute time frame during the actual week, so I didn't take that trade. I should have took it though. I took this trade for a buy because I seen the market it started to make bullish movements. So when it got to this point, I was like, oh yeah, this is a good entry for a buy, and I did. I took it, and it was a right on the money. It kicked me out, and it hit my take profit right on the wick. it proceeded to come down a little bit. This being my main level, it came back to it, wicked it a couple more times, and made a bullish, I don't know, some people might call this a bullish variation, and then came back off that, wicked it again, and yeah, if you didn't take that trade, I don't know what you were doing, but definitely it was a good trade and made another higher high. Right now it seems like it's on a pullback. It is on a pullback. It doesn't seem like it. It is, and it possibly could continue up, but as of right now on the H4 time frame, I still believe it's bearish, unless of course, like I said just a couple seconds ago, if it comes up and breaks this level right here. You see I drew this black line. If it breaks this level, then I'm just gonna like hop out the market and just sit back and see what the market has to offer from that point on. So yeah, that's it for this week. It was a great week. Definitely won some trades. Everything, I'm definitely leaving this week in profit, which is great, man. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see future videos of me doing different currencies or maybe metals or what have you, definitely hit that subscribe button, man. I definitely appreciate it. You guys have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all Sunday or Monday. Peace.